Nestled amidst the pines of Valle de Bravo, a haven of tranquility awaits. Casa El Pinar isn't just a modern home, it's a harmonious dialogue with its environment. The house gracefully weaves through the sloped terrain, respecting every existing tree. Its footprint is minimized, allowing the verdant embrace of the forest to take center stage. Rising from the earth like a contemporary treehouse, the home utilizes a raw material palette. FSC-certified pine beams intertwine with exposed concrete, steel, and local stone, both inside and out. The true luxury lies in the simplicity of design and the ever-present connection with the whispering pines. Imagine a concrete base, clad in rugged stone, housing the utilitarian spaces like a hidden root system. Above, a textured concrete wall adorns the north facade, mimicking the weathered bark of a giant. A stone staircase, camouflaged against the base, leads to the main entrance point. One side of the house offers a sense of seclusion, shielding from the elements. The opposite side unfolds with expansive windows, ushering in warmth and sunlight. This constant connection with the forest fosters a sense of serenity, a symphony of rustling leaves and dappled light. At the heart of the home lies a unique twist. A sweet gum tree thrives within a glass-enclosed courtyard. This living centerpiece acts as a natural divider, separating the public areas yet maintaining a visual connection, fostering a sense of airy spaciousness. Concrete floors contrast beautifully with the warmth of exposed structural pine beams and plywood ceilings. The color scheme echoes the natural tones. Black accents frame the windows and doorways, complemented by black and gray furnishings. The entire project exudes a sense of honesty and simplicity. Here, form and function intertwine, existing as a unified expression. Clerestory windows bathe the hallways and rooms in a soft, natural glow. A long hallway, reminiscent of a hidden forest path, connects the living areas to the private spaces. Each of the 3 bedrooms boasts its own bathroom and closet, offering a haven of tranquility. At the far end, a concrete bungalow, connected by a jacuzzi-equipped terrace, houses the TV room and a guest bedroom. Just like the main house, it opens graciously to the south, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. From any vantage point within Casa El Pinar, the trunks of the pine trees frame the verdant vistas. With its clean lines and uncluttered materials, this understated retreat beckons reflection and invites you to fully immerse yourself in the embrace of nature. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.